has one shiny tire on the back of this Jeep. You guys can see all that. Woo! Oh, this squirrel's gonna get ran over. Damn, we went pretty far fast. Chain holding up. Damn, they put a lot of grease everywhere, that's for damn sure. But look, check this out. Can you guys see? I'm pedaling. I need to get a picture while I'm up here. I sent a message to my buddy. I wanted to see if he was home because I'm right by his house. Woo! Oh, how do I get to the other side? I think I gotta go over the railroad tracks. That side and that side. I am weak, man. Wet. Oh yeah. Woo! Get it, bye, get it. This is the best thing I've ever bought for myself in probably the last couple years. Ooh, it's bumpy. My buddy's good, so I am going to head over there to his house. What's up? It's saying we're at 63% battery. This intersection is a little sketchy at rush hour traffic. That's the video today, guys. That was a fun one. God, man, I need to stop working and just ride this thing everywhere. I'm just kidding. I won't be able to afford shit anymore. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one because it was one of my funnest rides so far.